Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look of two GranVela R8 noise isolating earphones. One's in silver and the other is in black. And they both came with a GranVela contact us email and Facebook information card. So let's go ahead and put that aside and go ahead and take a close-up look at both of these boxes. So as you can see, the logo finish are quite different for each of the boxes. The one on the left has a brushed silver finish, whereas on the right is a shiny black finish on the logo. So two different styles of logo. I guess they both represent the two different styles of the headphone designs in terms of finish. As I mentioned, one's in silver and the other's in black. So let's take a look around the outside of the boxes. So there's some differences in the box design, as you can see at the back as well. On the right side with the brushed silver finish, it has more information at the back or bottom, whereas on the left side with the shiny black finish, it's just a plain logo and the GranVela or Glamour branding at the bottom. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the one on the right side. So we're just going to start with the brushed silver finish earphones. So as you can see, GranVela R8 earphones, and up close right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop the earphones out. So okay, there is a little box here. And let's go ahead and open it up if we can figure it out. Okay, so open it from the side right there. Pop it open. It's a little bit fiddly, so bear with me, because everything's quite tightly packed, or at least the card is, or user manual, I would suspect. So let's go ahead and remove the contents all at once and then go through them quickly. Okay, so that's the box emptied out at the bottom side, and put the earphones aside, of course. And okay, so that's the big main box emptied out for the brushed silver finish R8 earphones. And of course we now have a plastic case here. So let's go ahead and pop it open, of course, to find out what's inside, if there's anything. So there is a catch right there. Open it up, shows that it is empty, but it's also lined with this soft foam padding on the inside. So I believe this is a storage case, a protective hard case for your earphones, or for the GranVela R8 earphones. So it's quite nice to have, so you don't wreck your earphones if you're just tossing them in your backpack or gym bag or whatnot. Okay, so let's go ahead and now pop the earphones out from this card here. Let's push it back down. There we go. So that's the earphones now taken out. And now let's go ahead and take a close-up look at them. So you can see a nice brushed silver finish or satin finish. So you have nice straight lines going across the earphones. And taking a look at the earphones this way, you can see the design and the buds that are on them. And actually, let me put these down for a second and actually go through the other contents that we actually removed firstly. So there is a card here, high definition, custom or glamour user guide, as you can see. So let's go ahead and open it up. So there are details in Chinese and English as well. Okay, so just a few pages of information there in both English and Chinese in this user guide. Okay, so let's put that down and then of course open up this little pack here to see what's inside. So as you can see, it's quite efficiently packed with all kinds of bits in it. So you can see there are a pair of ear hooks. So if you're using the earphones for sports, it's going to stay in place quite nicely as you run, jump, fly, leap, bounce. Okay, and there are 4 pairs of earbuds, or additional earbuds to the ones that are already fitted on the earphones. And the green ones are memory foam ones, which are quite nice to see with earphones because these will provide the maximum listening experience, since they provide a perfect seal around your ear canal to prevent any noise from entering or escaping. And of course we have pretty much standard silicone earbuds in various sizes. So they are just your regular type of earbuds. And then going back to the silicone ones, just want to show you as I press down and release very slowly, you can see it slowly expand to fill out your ear canal. So quite nice to see and nice to have, of course. And of course there is a cord clip here for your earphones to keep the cord from flopping about if you're being chased by a wild cat, fox, or your neighbor's dog. So there we go. So those are some additional accessories, if you can call it that, to go with your earphones. Okay, so now right back to the earphones again. Okay, so let's get it to focus and then look closely at the details of the earphones. So I'm just kind of looking for a marking here to see which side is which. But obviously it should be this way because the ear hooks would go around the loop of your ear, or the back of your ear. At least the cord is. So let me do it this way so the video camera or camcorder can focus more clearly on the earphones. So a nice kind of organic design to the housing of the earphones. And they are, of course, finished in metal, so it isn't brushed plastic. There's a little bit of weight to it, which is nice. And I'm just trying to show you all the various angles. Of the GranVela R8 earphones. And this loop around the cord or cable just to show you the flexibility of it. So it does bend quite nicely, so it's not stiff, so it will conform to the shape of your ear. And of course we want to take a close-up look at the cable or cord. So it is a twisted cord, as you can see. And let me undo this cable tie here to show you the cable length. So quite an unusual type of cord, given that it's a twisted braid. And hopefully you can see the length of the cord as I do my usual shot in frame. And of course there's plenty of bits and bobs lying around, so there we go. So that's the length of the cable, just to give you some idea. So nice and long there, and very unusual twisted kind of design. So that's the splitter right there. And of course, finish with a 3.5mm audio jack or plug. And it's nice to see that it's gold plated. So a nice high quality finish right there. Okay. What else can I show you? These earphones have a fancy feature to them, and that is that they are detachable. So just like that, you can store the earpieces separately to the cable if you want to do that. Or this could act as a safety feature as well, so that your cord doesn't break from your earphones if you snag it onto a hook or latch or anything of that sort. So right there you can see very interesting design, completely detachable. So that's the left and that is the right on the right. So with the loops going around the back of your ear. Okay, so that's the brushed silver finish earphones. Let's take a quick look at the black ones. So once again, very similar or the same design in terms of boxing on the inside. And this time around, they are the shiny black finish earphones. And you can see there's protective stickers on them to prevent them from, or the surface from being marked or scratched. So let's go ahead and quickly remove this card. And I would suspect the rest of the contents are the same, so I'm not going to open everything up again, but let's go ahead and remove them nonetheless. Okay, so we have what appears to be the protective case again. So let's go ahead and pop it open. So same thing here. Nothing too surprising. Let's pop that down and aside. And of course in this box I would suspect is the user manual and then a bunch of earbuds or ear tips. So voila, how did I know? Because we just unboxed the brushed silver finish one just earlier. So same thing, as you can see. Right. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that down as well. So heaps and heaps of bits that we're seeing today because it's sort of like a double unboxing in some sense. And I'll just take a quick look at the earphones over here, the black, shiny black finish, GranVela R8 earphones. So the cord, as you can see, is the same with a 3.5mm gold-plated audio jack. Same thing as we've seen with the brushed silver finish earphones. And here are the black ones in a nice shiny finish. Shiny black finish there. And it's highly polished, as you can see. So left goes on left and right goes on right with the ear hooks going right behind your ears. Just let me stop that cable from swinging around. And let's get it to focus if we can. Right there. So these are the shiny black ones. And of course, with any shiny object, my camcorder always struggles to get a clear or good focus on them. So just bear with me. And let's cross it back to the... Wait a minute. There we go. Back to the correct sides. And it's really tricky to get it to focus right there. There we go. So nice shiny black finish. And once again, these earphones have the same fancy feature of having a detachable cord right there. Let's go ahead and plug it back in. Just like that. So a nice tight fit with the pins going into the earphone housing for a nice secure fit with that safety feature of being able to break off or break loose or free should your earphones or earphone cable snag on a hook or latch of some sort. Okay, let's go ahead and peel the protective sticker off from the black earphones so you can see the detail more clearly. There we go. So nice finish right there. So you can see the difference with the protective sticker and without. So same finish really. Right there. So really cool pair of earphones in either brushed silver finish or shiny black finish. So that's the GranVela R8 noise isolating earphones. Thanks for watching and happy listening.